Hey everybody, it's Catie Harris, owner and CEO of NursePreneurs, and today we're talking about AI agents. So I wanted to introduce you to some of the stuff that you can do because AI doesn't need to be complicated, it doesn't need to be intimidating, but it can change your life and how you are running your day-to-day. So this is definitely the future, but it's here now and you need to get comfortable with it. So I want to show you a couple of things that you can do that you can incorporate into your life that are simple and easy and not complicated, no code. All you have to do is just follow a couple of basic instructions, and this is super simple to do. So one of the things that we're going to do is I'm going to show you MindStudio, which is the AI platform that I really like using. There's tons of them out there, but MindStudio is very intuitive, very easy to use, and you can use it with a Chrome extension, which makes it even nicer. So this one particular tool inside of MindStudio, and you can create your own, and it's mind-blowing and all that kind of stuff, but there's some simple things that you can do. So I'm going to show you first the fact checker, which is what I want to show you today. But this is MindStudio, and there's a link for you to go ahead and get MindStudio and open your account. And once you get MindStudio and you sign up for it, it's free to sign up. Then you can get the Chrome extension. And to do the Chrome extension, you're simply just going to go to the Chrome Web Store, type in MindStudio, and then install the let's see, Chrome Store. You're going to search for it up here. MindStudio, there's MindStudio, and you would just, mine's already installed, but this would say, do you want to install it? And you say yes, and then it's on your browser. So now what can you do with this? Well, now you can go to any page you want, any web page that's out there, and you can highlight and fact check whatever's on there. Now, I chose this at random, not for any particular reason. I searched eBoo and this is what came up. So what we can do, if you want to fact check this, is just go in to, let's see, where is the fact checker? This is the Chrome browser. Right, so anytime you're on a web page, this will come up, and you can. Is it here? Yep, there it is, the fact check. So what we're going to do is run this, and MindStudio is going to go through and it's going to fact check this page. This is how MindStudio. So you can see how it's thinking. Um, and it's going to tell us what we need to know about the claims that are made on this page. And you can show this to your clients as well and get them doing this just so that they can, if you want to show people that things aren't research-based, you can absolutely do that with MindStudio. So it really just takes a couple seconds. It's going to extract claims, run the workflow. You can always have it notify you when it's finished. Or just wait for it. So, but this matters because as a nurse and as a business owner, your credibility really depends on the information that you're sharing. And if you're sharing information that's not real or accurate or evidence-based, then that can affect you. So you're going to want to use the fact checker so that you can post confidently on LinkedIn or write your emails or create patient education materials without worrying about spreading that misinformation, which is a huge problem nowadays. So it also helps when you're drafting content with AI, so you can quickly fact check AI's output before you hit publish. So you can certainly do this. And there's different ways that you can do that because inside of MindStudio, you don't have to just use the Chrome browser. It just makes it a lot easier to use the Chrome browser. But you can also run it straight from MindStudio and get the information. So this is, and again, it takes, there's a lot of pieces to this. So the workflow is going through all of this stuff. It's a lot more intense than just going to ChatGPT and saying, can you fact check this article? And here it's done. So it's coming up with the fact checking. So what are the EBU treatments in American Regenerative Clinic? So the first claim they make is EBU treatments led to a significant regression of skin lesions, and that's true. So this claim, they have backed it up with this research article, so you know that that claim inside the article is true. And then it gives you different sources too, which is really nice, so that you can feel pretty confident in spreading this fact. You can make this into an Instagram post or whatever it is, if you offer eBoo, of course. And then claim number 2, it's effective at killing viruses, eliminating bacteria, and neutralizing toxic substances. This is saying it lacks evidence. So, and it sorts why it's saying that there's insufficient, and you might disagree with this fact check too. So, but this is helping you to think through what you need. It's not FDA approved. The FDA actually sees ozone as a toxic gas, which is ridiculous. So you do have to be careful with this kind of stuff, because just because it's not FDA approved doesn't mean that there's not other research clinical studies out there that show efficacy. And then it just gives you other articles. And then down here, that's it. So it went through, those are the 2 main claims of this article, and that was it. So this is your Chrome browser. So it just sits here on the side. You can move it up and down. And when you open it, there's all these different things, and we'll go over them piecemeal. But this one was about the fact checker that was under research, and you just go here, and then you just run it on any page that that you're interested in. And that's it. So that's the fact checker from MindStudio. Make sure you set up your free MindStudio account and get started today, because this will help you with your with all of your content that you're posting out there, and making sure that you're doing reputable sources and promoting information that's actually true.